I love your pink hat.
Thank
It
you.
helps.
Thank you. I wear it for special occasions.
Very calming. Hello, I'm Kitty Chan. I'm one of the co-owners of Sought and Found Coffee in Calgary. We opened shop in 2017 as me and my husband Caleb. What we try to do here is to reimagine coffee service. How do we approach a population that may not already be drinking coffee, and how do we make it more accessible and approachable? We feature a wide spectrum of coffee character because we want people to explore through different coffee interpretations so that they can understand, be open to the world of coffee. We started working in coffee because it's always been Caleb's passion. With the 2 years prior to opening shop, we kind of got laid off one after the other. There was an economic downturn at the time. After we both got laid off, we were like, well, how about we just take it as an opportunity to pursue Caleb's passion. I didn't drink coffee before, but I went to SCA taster training with him in the States. I have a strong memory of what I taste and smell, so it was good for me to go through that training. And then I started making coffee like at the shop. After we opened, I've been like a trainee for 6 months. It was always my daily coffee. Close friends and family, they have to taste my terrible coffee. That was part of my training. And then I think it was 2 years in, 2019, I decided I committed to start training for a competition because I want to pursue it as a career. I want to understand it more, to know how to do it better. And that's where my coffee career really started blossoming. I should have a better word.
No, that was perfect.
Thanks. These stories are gonna be like 10 years ago, and like people will be like, whoa, how long have you been alive? And like, so 2014 when we went to San Francisco, I still remember the barista's name. I think his name was Brad, and like it was the most welcoming experience. They were so kind and patient, explaining the coffee lineup, and they were recommending a coffee to me with lots of enthusiasm and passion. And I think that's something that made a big impact on us because that's how we try to provide for our customers. My customer experience manager, Colton, he is absolutely like Brad reincarnated. And I am just so proud of what we can do, and also like just that is such an eye-opening, mind-blowing, life-changing moment. I am representing diversity on a few different levels. As a woman, obvious minority, and also vertically challenged. In my experience, when people try to place emphasis on my difference, it makes me feel even more excluded. When we take away those differences and I treat you as a human being based on what you strive to do, what you love, I think that's a more fair, more respectful of equality. So that's how I want to be viewed. I think we really value people who are passionate. They have a lot of potential. They strive to grow. You don't have to be afraid of who you appear to be. Pursue what you love and people will respect you as such. I will first be very sad if coffee became extinct, but a good beverage to replace, I think I choose matcha. Matcha has the caffeine that I need. It has all the antioxidants, and matcha makes your skin glow. Like anti-aging is real. Like the matcha legend of Calgary. I don't know if you guys know Michiko from Matsukasa Tea. Oh, she is glowing. Well, as the owner of Sought and Found, I would recommend you to get a coffee 3 ways. So you can have it in filter form, espresso form, and milk drink form. It's really hard to pick, but if I were to brew at home, if I don't have access to like all the espresso setup, I'd be doing a Hario switch. I love hybrid, immersion, pour over. It's just such a trusty cup of coffee. That coffee doesn't have to taste bad. I think the people who don't like coffee have not come across a good cup of coffee. Even people who think that they're just tea lovers, I think they will actually enjoy Pourover because it has a rounder body, it's a sweet aftertaste, and doesn't have that dry and astringent end. I wish everyone was more open to it. I love your pink hat.
Thank
It
you.
helps.
Thank you. I wear it for special occasions.
Very calming. I like little things to pair with coffee. So tiny cookies. Yeah.
A particular brand or homemade?
Oh, homemade. Homemade 100%. Hi guys, thank you for watching. I'm Kitty from Sought and Found in Calgary. Thank you 8 Ounce for doing so much for our specialty coffee community. Please follow them. Follow us as SXF Coffee. You'll find out all my coffee journey sharings. Yeah, see you.